Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you don't know what my name is, it's okay, I got you. My name is Gillian with a G, and on this channel we do everything natural hair, beauty and lifestyle while we glow and grow together. Now, as you can see by the title, we are doing another foundation review. Yes, another foundation review. And today it's a bit different than my usual foundation reviews because we are doing a high-end foundation review. I mean, now you might be like, but Joel, girl, you always come through for us with these foundations that are drugstore foundation. It's okay, I still got you there. But the difference is I want to know what makes these foundation high-end foundation. So instead of you spending the coin, I want to go spend the coin so we can review it together. I know I talk a lot. I'm just so hyped for this video because I'm like, I love doing foundation reviews and I love hearing what you guys are currently using because you can share with each other, and who knows, I might just try your type of foundation next video. Today's foundation out of my own pocket is from Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Now proven to last 24 hours. I'm just saying what's on this packaging. So there we go. So it says be flawless for 15 hours. And if you guys have not seen some of my pictures on Instagram where I'm actually wearing this foundation, I'm gonna put it here. You guys can see that the foundation, like, it lasts so long. It gives me the flawlessness that I want without having to use for face tunable ing. Like, it really does the things that need to be done. And as you can see, I have used it before because I just feel like I'm not gonna come on to this channel, my channel, and use the product on camera if I've not tried it before, because then what am I talking about? Like, what am I talking about? So yes, today's foundation is from Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear, and I'm in the color 4.0. So this is my color. I like the packaging. It's a glass packaging, so don't go be dropping foundations on the floor because you're not gonna pay. And let me quickly check how much I actually paid for this foundation. I bought this one from Fushini. So let's go Fushini, there we go. I think it's because, like, now I'm looking for it. Oh, there it is. So this one I paid 610 rand from Fushini. And then I also bought a powder from Smashbox. This is the Halo Fresh Perfecting Powder. Looks like this. Is actually very cute. I really like the packaging, and like, it pops up, and then as you use the powder you just turn it. Once again, you can see that I've used it, so it's good. We're all good this side. And this one is in the color, I don't know, medium to tan. Oh, medium to tan. This is a medium tan. So this is also from Smashbox. Let me see if I can get the price for you. Yes, and this powder here is 500 rand. With me spending this money, like, the lady gave me like this primer from Smashbox, which I'll be using underneath my makeup. So let's get going. There we go. It's like blurry effect primer, and it says the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. So now I'm just gonna put it all over my face, on my nose, especially like my areas where I usually like would get streaky, or where I'm usually very oily. You can see the primer blends in so nicely. I do have sunscreen on underneath because, hey, who the hell does not wear sunscreen? So there we go. So you can see it's already giving me like a blurry effect, and I want to say like my pimples and pores are kind of blurred out already, and that's just from the primer. Yo, ish, hold on, I need to go get setting spray. Yeah, never mind, here it is. Oh, okay. You guys know, if the product is not part of this video, I do not mention it. So just putting it out there. Now, just going to, I don't know, I like shaking it up a bit. Shaking up my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear, and it's a hydrating foundation. And then I'm just gonna squirt it like, I'll do like 3 pumps to start off with. There we go, 3 pumps. And then I spritz my brush with setting spray. Nice and wax. Now we are going in. You can actually see how nicely the foundation blends in with my skin tone. And this is just one application, so you guys know I usually just do like one side, then we see how it looks compared to the side that doesn't have foundation on. There we go. So it's already giving me like a nice hydrating look. I look very hydrated, which I feel like this is the perfect foundation for winter, because in winter our skin, or my skin, I don't want to say our skin, my skin tends to get very, very dry. So I don't want to look ashes to ashes while wearing foundation. So it's a very like skin-like finish, and this is only one application. There we go. And I prefer putting on my foundation with a brush. This is the side that has the foundation on. I want you to see the finish, and this is the side that doesn't. You can see that it's kind of like, honestly, it has an undertone, a neutral undertone for me. It's not making me look orange, which I love. And now I'm just going to put on another layer. So this is the second one, and I'm mainly just focusing on my blemishes and dark marks and pigmentation. So there we go. It covers it up very nicely. There we go. Remember, at the end, makeup is not supposed to look like skin. It's supposed to look like makeup. But also, you can't be like 50 tones lighter or darker than your natural skin tone. So there we go. So that's the second application. I'm not really like too fussy when it comes to the coverage of a foundation, because I know I have flaws. I know my skin is not perfect, so I still want to be as natural and real as possible, because I don't want people thinking that makeup is this thing that does the things that need to be done. I like to look at myself and still be able to be like, okay, yes, my skin is not perfect, but I'm still able to rock this foundation with confidence. We are liking that. We are liking that. I'm gonna finish up this side and then I'll be back. Hydrated my face looks, and it's already giving me like that dewy glowy finish. And then I just, whatever's left, I usually just blend it nicely there. No, don't want to be two tones. I actually saw this TikTok video that said your foundation should, when you go foundation shopping, you should get a foundation that matches your neck. And people be lying on these streets. There we go. Okay, still got that nice natural finish. Now what I'm going to do right now off camera is I'm going to highlight and contour my face, and then we'll be back using the powder. Okay, I'm back. I highlighted where I needed to highlight, I contoured where I needed to contour. I kind of look like a ghost. But anyway, we are coming along. Now I'm going to use the Smashbox Halo powder. I love this. All you gotta do is, okay, let's first focus. There we go. You just twist it for powder. So then, like, you don't end up like wasting powder. So you only twist the amount that you need. Looks like that. And then you just put it on your face. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. This, and what I like about this powder, it also warms up my face while I put it on, because it gives me more of a natural finish. Because like you see, like I like looking more natural, even though we do have the makeups on. So there we go, on my nose. Oh, this powder is so easy to apply, guys. Oh, just look. I'm coming back to life on camera. There we go. Oh, child looking cute. Let me give it to you. Okay. So, and then what I do is, now I'm just going to go in with setting spray. When my setting spray dries, I'm going to put another layer of the powder on. Okay, my setting spray is all dried. Ish, this thing. Okay, now you just press it, and then just a second layer of powder. Looking cute. I'm really loving these Smashbox products. You can see, like, even the finish, it is so natural. It's warming up my face, but it's not taking away from my face, and it's not giving me like an orange undertone. Like, Labon, I do not look like a Oompa Loompa, and for the price that I'm paying, or that I paid, I better be not looking like a Oompa Loompa. And then now I'm just going to put blush on, highlight where I need to highlight, and do my lips so I just look more put together. I think it's Talibon in it. Y'all know the drill, guys. Like, the Talibon. Guys, this foundation is doing the things that need to be done, and it's doing it right, and I am happy with it. Overall, I give this foundation like an 8 out of 10. I don't know why I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10, because I'm not going to be like for it. I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what foundations you're currently using, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have used this Smashbox foundation, please let me know how you would rate it and how you feel about it. Like, child, no filter, no face tune, just chill and Smashbox. Well, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time, see you on the next video.